Hey guys, it's Terrell here again, and today I'm going to be going over how to use the Smartboard tool as shown in the EDM 310 class. To get started, you just want to find the power button, which is usually located at the bottom, and just flick it on, just like so. The button will then turn green. Alright, next we're going to go over how to orient it, or calibrate it as Dr. Strange refers to it. You now that the Smartboard's on, you just want to come to the PC or Mac, whichever one it's hooked up to. Come down here to the bottom right tool, click on that, and go up until you see Orient right there. As soon as you do that, you want to come back to the Smartboard and just follow the simple steps of pressing each one as follows. And now your Smartboard is calibrated. And now we're going to go on to learn how to use the text and use a few more objects. Okay, now that we got the screen calibrated, we want to go ahead and come over here to your Smart Notebook tool, which will be located usually in this little tab. And you just click on it right there, and it opens up a new page. You can choose a few different things, but today we just want to kind of show you the basics of how to use text and a few objects. So to get started, the first way that we learn in class, or not in class, just playing around with it, you want to take one of the markers off the board and then actually just write whatever you want. Say you just want to write your name. So I'm going to write my name. Place the marker back. Come back up here and make sure you're on your pointer. Highlight it, and then you just click down right there and go to Recognize Terrell. And now that's the first way to use text with Smartboard. Next, we're going to go into a little bit of learning how to use objects. And it's pretty basically the same thing as your pointer or using text. Instead of picking up any other boards with the Smartboard tool, you want to come up here and actually go to the little square and circle as such. And then you have any object that you can choose from the following, whether you want a circle or a triangle, such as follows. And then you can come over and edit it in however you want to color it, through fill effects or through transparency, just by doing simple things as that, or such as a better color to show a better example. Here we go. And that's a few things on objects with the Smartboard. So now that I've taught you a little bit about texting and objects to use with the Smartboard tool, I'm going to show you how to take both of them and combine them in order to present feedback for such as like this question. So I chose, what color is the sky? Obvious answer. And we're going to come up here and choose our objects that we want. So we just choose the first one. You want to highlight, go ahead and create your object and make sure that it covers your whole answer. And then you want to come back here to your pointer. And once you get your pointer, you want to come back and click on the object. That brings up your fill effects, your object animation. So you want to go ahead and choose your fill, which I'm going to go ahead and go with black, and then I'm going to go down and choose which object animation that I want. For this one, you just want to go with the basic fade out, and it just occurs once, and then that's it. So what we have is, what color is the sky? Blue. Uses the infinite cloner, which can be used while creating various designs. We're just going to use the basic object design since I've already showed you how to use it. Come back up here and choose whatever design you prefer, and you start make your design however you want to. Then you want to come back over here, get back on your pointer, click on it, and then it'll bring up that little box, and you want to bring down the options where it says Infinite Cloner. It's a neat little tool that allows you to create instant replications of the object that you've chosen before, and it can come in handy while creating different slides and stuff to use on the Smartboard. The next and last thing I'm going to show you how to do with the Smartboard tool today is to use interactive multimedia, which you just want to come over here to the right side or left side, whichever you prefer, whichever side it's set up on. Click on that picture there, and we've already been playing around with it, so it's already pulled up, but it'll bring up another section that has different things that you can do. But today I'm just going to use the basic one and go with the guitar since we've already been playing around with it. Just want to click on it, insert in the notebook. And bring it up here. And then actually the interactive media can do such things such as this. And that's how you use interactive media with the Smartboard tool.